In this digital exam question, we're being asked to find values of x that make the inequality true. We're going to use Boolean Logic to test the different values given and compare them to 28/5 to see which are greater. On your TI-Nspire, you're going to create a new document and add a calculator page. We're going to type in the first value given, which is square root of 34. We're going to compare that to 28/5 by pressing ctrl equals to get the greater than symbol, and ctrl divide to get my fraction template. Now when I press enter, notice the answer is true, which means the square root of 34 is greater than 28/5. Now I'm going to test the next value given, -8, and compare that to the fraction 28/5. Notice this time it's false, which means -8 is not greater than 28/5. Now I'm going to go through and test the rest of the values. Once I'm done testing all the values given, I'm going to choose the answers that showed up with statements of true: 19/3 and 2√11.